Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get more stickers on Facebook Messenger to make your conversations more fun and expressive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger and click on any conversation you want to view. This could be an individual chat or a group conversation. It doesn't matter which one you choose since you'll be accessing the sticker store from within any chat window. Once you're inside the conversation, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see the message input area. Look for the emoji icon, which is typically located near the text field, and click on it. This icon opens up your emoji and sticker options, giving you access to all the expressive elements you can add to your messages. After clicking the emoji icon, you'll notice several tabs or icons appear at the bottom of the window. Among these options, you'll see a stickers icon. Go ahead and click on the stickers icon to view your current sticker collection. This is where you can see all the stickers you already have installed and ready to use in your conversations. Now here's where you'll access the new stickers. On the right side of the sticker panel, you'll see a store icon. This icon looks like a shopping bag or storefront symbol. Click on this store icon to open the Facebook Messenger sticker store. This is your gateway to hundreds of free sticker packs featuring different themes, characters, and styles that you can add to your collection. Once the store opens, you'll be able to browse through all the available sticker packs that Facebook Messenger offers. The stickers are organized into different categories to make browsing easier, and you'll see various collections featuring everything from cute animals to popular characters and expressive emotions. To see the complete selection of available stickers, click on All at the top of the store page. This option displays every single sticker pack available, giving you the full range of choices to explore. Take your time scrolling through and choose the sticker pack that catches your eye or matches your messaging style. When you find a sticker pack you like, simply click the download button that appears beside that sticker pack. The download button is clearly visible next to each pack, and clicking it will immediately add those stickers to your personal library. The download process is quick and automatic, so you can start using your new stickers right away in any conversation. And that's it. You've successfully expanded your sticker collection and can now add more personality and fun to your Facebook Messenger conversations. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.